I always say one thing, that I have stopped worrying about the things that I have lost, the people that I have lost. Things and people who were meant to be with me are with me. And sometimes, somebody's absence makes you a better person. So when you accept yourself the way you are, the world recognizes you. It all starts from within.
Let me tell you something. Not everything you lose is a loss. Sometimes that loss is freedom. Sometimes that loss is a blessing in disguise. Sometimes that loss is a second chance. Sometimes that loss is a long needed detachment. So be happy. Be happy for that loss.
Always remember this. Life feels the hardest when you're about to reach a new level. The challenges you face are there to push you, to help you grow stronger. It's easy to feel discouraged, but remember, every struggle is a sign that you're close to something greater. Keep going, don't give up, because the toughest times lead to the biggest breakthroughs.